It's another day, so it's time for another Poshmark Q&A. Today has been a day, let me tell you. I won't tell you though, because I'm sick of complaining. I'm so sick of complaining, and I know everyone around me is sick of listening to me complain, and 9 days when I'm filming this, until I'm induced. Fingers crossed he comes sooner. We'll see. First question. Hey Vanessa, your videos are the best. Thank you. I'm curious, do you set goals for yourself, whether daily, monthly, etc., and do you meet them? So yes, I set goals for myself. And do I meet them? Yes, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I was actually looking over my end of the year numbers, although, you know, the year's obviously not over yet. But I did meet my goal for this year. I exceeded my goal actually for this year. But I tend to set more like short-term goals because I'm more of like an instant gratification person. I don't like to wait a long time. First of all, I'm kind of an impatient person when it comes to surprisingly everything except my children, which is weird. But yeah, I'm kind of impatient. So when I set goals, they tend to be more short-term why can't I say that? Goals, short-term goals. So yes, to answer your question, yes. And yes, sometimes I meet my goals and sometimes I don't. Next question. Do you list every day or do you bulk list? Sorry if you have answered this before. So I have answered it a couple of times, but obviously not everyone watches all of my Q&A videos because that would be a lot. So I like to bulk list. And I know people are like, oh no, you should list every day. But like in my mind, like yesterday, for instance, we went sourcing and I got 34 things, I think. And I've listed, 33 out of the 34 because I forgot to list one. But yeah, I listed everything last night. And I like to have everything listed because if it's not listed, it's not selling. You know, and I don't know, people are like, oh, the algorithm, schmalgorithm. Like, is there really one? You know, like, do you have to list every day to make daily sales? No, you don't, because I don't list every day and I make daily sales. So no, you don't. Would I be making more sales daily if I listed every day? I don't know. But yeah, I like to bulk list just to get everything. Like I don't like to have stuff like sitting. I like to just bulk list. And especially because I, you know, have to like carve out times to do Poshmark. I just like to get it all done. You know, like I think it'd be different maybe if I didn't have so many obligations at home during the day. Like, you know, if I was just doing Poshmark and that's it, I didn't have to homeschool my children or, you know, do YouTube maybe, but no, I like to bulk list. Next question. Here's a fun question. If you can add 3 things to Poshmark, what would they be? Also, if you could take away 3 things, what would they be? All right, so let's do takeaway first. So I would definitely take away sharing. I mean, come on, we all know sharing sucks. Yeah, it sucks. It's a time suck, but you know, unfortunately, it's something that you have to do to make sales on Poshmark. So taking away sharing, definitely. What else? What else would I take away? I think I would add a messaging feature on Poshmark so you can like privately message your potential buyers, or so you could privately message a seller. What else? This is hard. This is harder than I thought. I think I would take away or change the shipping options to have like more shipping options to ship through maybe different companies. And I would also change the fee. I would take away the 20% fee and do like a 10% fee. That seems fair. What else? Maybe have a better system to like weed out the spammers and the scammers and the annoying people on Poshmark. More color options, more like categories. If this were any other time, I'd be able to think of things. That's all I can think of right now. That is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. Keepin' it rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.